Excuse me, it's all about brum, 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 relatively vibes and come. It's how we do the job and how it gets done. Brum, 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 brum.
Yo, back once again with So We Got Bars. As you can see, I'm a little more upbeat. Those meds must be working. But anyway, I'm on a new level. I'm at that point where I just think, what the fuck have you been doing, son? Step the game up. You really want that woman back, yeah? Then you need to sort yourself out, so go and fucking do it. So that is the new fucking thing. Anyway, we are on Stormzy, Sounds of the Skeng. Like, share, subscribe. The Teesprings link is down below. You don't fucking share it, then I don't want to know. Fuck off. Sounds of the Skeng.
And it's like 5 whole years on the circuit. Every single year I murk it. Every single year I switch flows, they jerk it. I flip mode and reverse it. Told bro reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Give me that. Cause if it's up a bitch ass, then girl, I'ma make it look perfect. I'ma make it look perfect. Kai probably deserves it. See, old school might just splurges. Please don't let him resurface. They go the fastest, I go the furthest. And the nigga been the hardest. And I bun all my man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with your babes, I'm burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist, man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this, that. Sounds of the Skeng, I move foul on my friends. Foul with a pen, dogs start howling again. My dogs to my different. Nigga, I miss the Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most but it's never been too much. Go coast to coast and I never get moved up.
He says, name a guy that is this consistent. You know what I mean? The game was silent for a while. It seems as if pretty much when Stormzy fucked off, it went dead. I told you all there's no one really in the UK doing much now. Stormzy's back. You've got Wretch 32 back doing hits. Bugsy Malone's doing hits. As much as I fucking hate that guy, it's all popping again. It seems like there's artists coming up and doing their thing. So it is getting enjoyable. You will see, hopefully, a few more UK grime artists, hip hop artists pop up on this channel. But anyway, let's get back in, see what he's saying. It's quite a dirty beat. Stormzy has got some dirty beats, and his bass lines are heavy as fuck.
We talking racks, we talking plaques, all stats. I rude boy, you do the maths. I look chilly in the south, but I live in the sticks now. Really been about, but they think I'm a prick now. Got a little money and a couple of bricks now. Big for my boot, but it's funny it fits now. The sauce don't stick to my swag, it drips now. You niggas thought you were bad, you pissed now. Cause that boy got to the bag, you rich now. I hope you niggas know what it is now. But man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with your babes, I'm burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist, man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this, that. Sounds of the Skeng, I move foul on my friends. Foul with a pen, dogs start howling again. My dogs to my different. Nigga, I miss the Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's this on point. Froze, wrist on point. For the trolls, fist on point. Get your pose and your list on point. Wait there, little niggas wanna diss this joint. They're trying to figure out what is this joint. Me and Flipper come and flip this joint. My fist big like miss this joint. Little niggas can't hit this joint. And I knew it was a banger when I ripped this joint. Man talk dirt on my name, but the truth is they're not realistic points. Bigger in person, whipping excursion. My niggas whip this joint. Don't talk like President flips his joint. Real niggas gonna dig this joint. But man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with your babes, I'm burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist, man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this, that. Sounds of the Skeng, I move foul on my friends. Foul with a pen, dogs start howling again. My dogs to my different. Nigga, I miss the Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent.
hiding the little nippers under his jacket there after pocketing some crap, and he's out of there. Anyway, I'm always down to ride with Stormzy. As you can see, it's number 8 on trending. He does get a lot of popularity. Is it to say that the tune is still a banger, or is it just because he has that popularity already? For me, it was alright. The lyrics were okay. It was alright. As I say, I'm stepping up the bar. I'll tell you the truth. If I think it's okay, then it's okay. If it's next level, you'll know. You will know. Anyway, peace out. See you in the next one.
Excuse me, it's all about brum, 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 relatively vibes and cum. It's how we do the job and how it gets done. Brum, 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 brum.